Welcome to back my channel Maria Fashion TV. The A Touch of Beauty team share their top 20 skin tips and tricks. Summers are getting hotter year by year, meaning every beauty-conscious person's nightmare. But, hold on. Before you loosen your purse strings for those so expensive products, it's time to raid the kitchen and follow some grandma's tips. Tip number 1: exfoliate. Be gentle and use small circular motions. For a deep exfoliation, recommend a microdermabrasion treatment, and for home care the Sodashi enzyme face polish 50 ml $110, removes dead skin cells and leaves your skin soft and silky. Tip number 2: cracked lips. Dermalogica Renewal Lip Complex will hydrate and protect dry lips. Tip number 3: primer. Always use a primer before your foundation. Your makeup will last longer and look its best. We recommend the Jane Iredale Smooth Affair Primer, $78 for a normal to dry skin. Tip number 4: SPF. Prevention is the best thing when it comes to aging skin. Always use a SPF every day. It will help to prevent pigmentation and aging dull skin. Tip number 5: drink water. Keep your body hydrated with a simple glass of water. Keeping your insides hydrated will help flush toxins. We like to add a slice of lemon to add a little kick. Tip number 6: makeup brushes. For a photo finish makeup without the fuss, we use Jane Iredale Chisel Powder Brush. Don't forget to quickly clean your brushes to keep them in the best condition. Tip number 7: travel size. This winter we are all jet setting to warmer weather. We freshen up with all of our favorite products in travel size, so we can keep our skin looking great wherever we are in the world. Spritz on the travel size Sodashi jet lag mist to ensure you are hydrated on the flight. Tip number 8: don't have the shower too hot on your face in the shower. Any broken capillaries on the face will be more visible. Tip number 9: always remove all makeup at the end of the day before bed. The Jane Iredale Magic Mitt, $35. Wipe off with just water and your magic mitt. Tip number 10: mix your Dermalogica Essential Cleansing Solution 500 ml $73 with your Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant $73 for a quick and simple, hydrating and brightening cleanse. Tip number 11: to enhance your eyes, apply a white eyeline on the bottom lid along the waterline. This allows your eyes to appear more open. Tip number 12: to keep your eyeshadows lasting longer. We use the Jane Iredale Pure Pressed Foundation $87 on the eyelids, then applying the pop of color with the eyeshadow. Tip number 13: we don't stop at the face with our TLC. We like to nurture our entire body. Relax with a warm bath and add a few drops of the Dermalogica Stress Relief Oil $40. To soothe the body and ease a headache, apply a drop to the temples. Tip number 14: for an even glowing tan, exfoliate the entire body with Dermalogica's Ultimate Buffing Cloth $24. Do not apply deodorants, lotions or any products which will inhibit the tan's absorption. Tip number 15: contour. For a makeup which will enhance your best features. It's quick and easy, and we can show you how at ATOB. Tip number 16: do a clean out. Clean out your skin and makeup bag. Throw away those old samples of products which you will never use. Check the use-by dates and freshen up with a new bag. The seasons change and so does our skin. Feel fresh and decluttered. Tip number 17: breathe. Life is so busy with work, family and commitments we lose track of ourselves. Take a moment to breathe. Book in for a relaxing facial to perk up not only your skin but your spirit. Smiley face. Tip number 18: complete the look with a nail polish which pops. For these cooler months we love the deep purples and reds. Tip number 19. A great gift for a baby shower is the Dermalogica sponge cloth, $27. It's soft and smooth, great for both mom and bubs. Tip number 20. Always read the packaging. Ask questions and know what you are putting on your face and where it comes from. ATOB only stock the highest quality of products and love supporting products which not only look and feel amazing but are ethical.